Here is a detailed guide on how to cultivate exquisite orchids. Essential tips for healthy plants and beautiful blooms. 1. Choose the right orchid variety. Start with beginner-friendly orchids like Phalaenopsis, moth orchid, or Dendrobium, which are easy to care for. Research the specific needs of your chosen variety, like temperature and humidity, to provide the perfect lighting. Orchids thrive in bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh direct sun that can scorch the leaves. For indoor orchids, place them near an east or south-facing window, with filtered light. Use sheer curtains if necessary. 3. Master the watering routine. Overwatering is the one killer of orchids. Let the potting medium dry slightly between waterings. Use room temperature water, preferably distilled or rainwater, as orchids are sensitive to salts in tap water. Water once a week or as needed, depending on the humidity and temperature. Ensure proper humidity levels. Orchids thrive in 50 to 70% humidity. Increase humidity by placing a tray of water with pebbles under the pot. Grouping plants together using a humidifier. In dry climates. 5. Use the right potting mix. Orchids do not grow in regular soil. Use a well-draining medium like bark, sphagnum moss, or a specialized orchid mix. Repot every 1 to 2 years to refresh the mix and ensure healthy roots. 6. Fertilize for vibrant blooms. Feed orchids with a balanced orchid fertilizer, 20-20-20 diluted to half strength. Fertilize every 2 weeks during the growing season, and reduce feeding during winter. 7. Maintain ideal temperatures. Orchids prefer a temperature range of 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius during the day, and slightly cooler at night. Avoid placing orchids near drafts, air conditioners, or heaters. 8. Monitor for pests and diseases. Inspect regularly for pests like mealybugs, scale, or spider mites. Remove pests using rubbing alcohol on a cotton swab or an insecticidal soap. Watch for root rot caused by overwatering or fungal infections. 9. Prune and cure for blooms. Remove dead or yellowing leaves and spent flowers, spikes to encourage new growth. Avoid cutting green flower spikes as they may rebloom. 10. Be patient and consistent. Orchids can be slow growers, and blooms may take months to appear. Consistency in care will reward you with vibrant, long-lasting flowers. By following these tips, you can cultivate healthy orchids that will thrive and reward you with stunning, exquisite blooms year after year.